Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website analytics with Google Analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you haven't created a property yet, click on the admin gear icon at the bottom left. In the property column, click on Create Property. Follow the prompts to set up. Once your property is created, go to the Data Streams section. Select the data stream for your website. Copy the measurement ID displayed on this page. Next, head to your website's content management system. If you're using WordPress, install a Google Analytics plugin. Follow the plugin's instructions to integrate Google Analytics using the measurement ID. For custom websites, add the Google Analytics tracking script to the header of your site. You can find the global site tag in your Google Analytics setup instructions. Place the script just before the closing /head tag in your HTML. Next, go back to Google Analytics and navigate to the admin section again. In the View column, click on Goals. Click the plus New Goal button to set up a new goal. Choose a template or create a custom goal based on your objectives. Define the goal details, including the type and destination URL. Once you save the goal, you can set up conversion tracking. To automate reports, go to the Customization tab in Google Analytics. Select Custom Reports and click plus New Custom Report. Choose your metrics and dimensions based on what you want to monitor. Save your custom report for easy access in the future. To automate email reports, navigate to the Customization tab again. Click on Scheduled Email for your custom report. Fill in the email details, including recipients and frequency. Confirm your selections and save the scheduled report. Finally, regularly check your analytics dashboard to track performance. Monitor your goals and conversions to assess the effectiveness of your automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.